Hi, I'm Johnny and this is North. We've taken a lot of time perfecting our little knives. We find them so handy, not just using them in a studio, but also in our day-to-day lives too. We hope you like using them as much as we do.
So please back or share our product, and we look forward to seeing how you use yours.
This is D-Ting, a series of robots and toys, truly controlled by gesture and force.
D-Ting's gesture control power lies in the D-Ting gesture wristband. Easy to attach, with the wristband on, you will be the ultimate remote. After wearing the wristband, post a hand gesture and move your arm. The robot follows your movement and goes to the direction you are pointing at. It takes over all the behavior of robots and toys at your command. There's no other remote like this.
We began on D-Ting. Our aim is to make the user feel like a superpower beholder.
We don't limit the variety of hand gestures. You could be a Spider-Man, Iron Man, sharpshooter, or even express your feeling while controlling robots. D-Ting is a completely revolutionary robotic experience suitable for all ages, regardless of operational experience. The wristband also enables fine-grained control. The toy speeds up or slows down depending on the intensity of your gesture. There are even more ways to play waiting for you to discover. You can compete with a friend or even play with more than one toy using both hands. D-Ting is a brand new way to interact, bringing enjoyment, playability, and possibility. Together with D-Ting Gesture Wristband, we offer several connected robot and toys. A high-performance drone, a battling tank, or a high-imitation truck will be included. The developer version of D-Ting is offered to connect other robots, electronics, or anything else you desire.
We launched this project in 2016. D-Ting is designed with robot enthusiasts and excellent engineers.
We have finished the design, prototype, and final iteration. And together, we can drive the technology forward.
We need your support. So no matter who you are, we are making sure whoever opens the box finds a revolutionary, affordable, amazing, and fine robots.
We look forward to making with you the next revolution in robotics, the one and only D-Ting.
The latest iPhone offers wireless charging, yet we are still using messy cables to recharge our expensive iPhone. Don't you think your iPhone deserves a better charging experience? Meet FunkSum. the first wireless charging pad on the market designed for new iPhones. This stylish FunkSum is not only able to charge your iPhone 8 or iPhone 10, but also your Apple Watch. With FunkSum, a wireless charger offers 80% charging efficiency, and it can even charge without removing your iPhone case. Energize your mobile phones with FunkSum, so you can enjoy the immersive experience brought a large screen without worrying about your battery. Place your phone and Apple Watch on the pad, and it will start charging immediately. Got a new iPhone? Let's charge it in a new way. The FunkSum's way.